before you do anything else, teach yourself and learn how to speak to people at a bus stop, how to speak to people in the supermarket, how to speak to random businesses at local networking events, and teach them this. When I go to local business networking, which is most weeks, anyone who hasn't met me before says things like, "I didn't know your job was interesting." Or someone recently said to me, "You know, you've amazed me that interpreters have to make decisions. I just thought it just came out." Actually, even someone here at this conference said to me, so do you sit down and it just comes? I'm like, I wish it did. Every introvert translator is a master salesperson just waiting to come out of the pajamas. You actually love pitching, you've just been confused about what it was. And you're actually good at pitching, you just haven't done it enough to realize how good you are yet. So rather than be scared of sales and marketing, just think of it as this. I get to do another part of the job I love, helping people I like to do things they love too. Thank you very much.